Tapswap daily codes for September. Tapswap is a popular tap-to-earn game on Telegram where players can earn TAPS coins by tapping, completing tasks, and engaging in various activities. Redeeming daily codes, participating in the referral program, and using boosts, players can maximize their Tapswap earnings. How to redeem Tapswap codes. First, access Tapswap through the Telegram bot or the Tapswap app. Next, navigate to a task on Cinema Code section. Next, input the provided code and press Submit. Next, after the code is verified, your account will be credited with the corresponding in-game currency or rewards. Here's list of codes. Earn Tapswap coins by completing daily video tasks. Amazon Success code Vapor. Next, start a profitable YouTube channel code Virus. Next, famous crypto millionaires code Volume. Next, Facebook ads tutorial code Volatility. Get paid to playtest code Wallet. Be productive working from home code Whale. Next, the best side hustle ideas code Reach. That's it for the video. Hope you got valuable from this. See you in the next video.